Hello everyone, welcome back to ServiceNow. In today's video, we are discussing about a requirement. So we got a requirement regarding product model table. So this table which I'm talking about is having around 3 to 4 million records. And we have to remove the records which are not used anywhere in the system. This table is used as a reference in around 1200 tables. And during investigation, I have noticed that there are many tables which are empty, which do not have any data. So via this script, I am trying to find out the tables which have data and referencing to product model table. At line 5, we are doing GlideRecord to 6 dictionary where we are getting like what all tables are referencing to product model table. So once we get that, using while loop, we are traversing the whole object, and then one by one we are checking if that table is having any record or not. So you see here in this if statement, I am checking if gr.getRecordCount is not equal to 0. It means if that table which is here is having at least one record, means the total number of record count is not 0, and then I'm printing it. So let me run it for you. Copy. I'll paste the script in the description of this video, so you can have it. Run it. So you see here, these are all the tables which are having some data and referencing to product model table. In the next video, we will go deep in these tables and find out all the product models which are being used anywhere in these tables. Till then, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.